I welcome you all to our 36th online English class. I hope you all are sounding good. Children, last class we have learned about two stories. Okay, and I have sent you the homework which you have to write in your classwork. Okay, the notes which you have to write in the classwork. The meanings as well as the what is that, the difficult words which I have sent you from the story. And I have given you another story with a moral which you have to write in the classwork. Okay, children, that is from the textbook. Some points we have to learn from grammar also. I taught you the nouns, the naming words, as well as articles and sentence, how the sentence begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop, exclamatory mark, question mark. Okay, what is a sentence? I taught you children in the previous classes. Today, we will learn about pronouns. Children, actually, the parts of speech contains 8. What are they? What are 8 parts of speech in English? There are 8 parts of speech. Parts of speech. Speech means, children, what we talk. Okay. In that speech, we have different kinds of words. Okay. The collection of words which makes to speak us. And speaking is nothing but a speech which we are giving out. And in that, 8 are there. What are they? First, noun, pronoun. First is noun, second is pronoun, third is adjective, fourth, verb, fifth, adverb, sixth, preposition, seventh, conjunction, eighth, interjection. So, these many are there. Slowly we will learn one by one. Okay. So, in other classes, you will have different kinds of conjunctions, different kinds of pronouns, different kinds of nouns. Nouns have been divided into further 6 parts like common noun, proper noun, okay, collective noun. So, those all are the different parts which you will learn in coming classes. So, as you are small children, we will learn just the starting ones. Noun means naming words, name of a person, thing, place, animals. Those are nouns. Today we are going to noun about pronoun. Okay? Pronoun. A pronoun is a word that takes the place of a noun. I repeat once again, children. Pronoun. A pronoun is a word that takes the place of a noun. For example, he, she, it, they, him, like that it goes on. Okay. And you should remember for what we have to say, use what kind of a word. Now, you see, read the paragraphs given below. Rahul is a 7-year-old boy. Rahul plays cricket. Rahul is good in studies. Rahul eats chocolates and ice creams. Rahul reads books. The name Rahul is in the above paragraph is repeated again and again. This makes it odd to read. Again to use Rahul, 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 it is not correct also, and it is not good to listen. Yes? First we need to use Rahul. Rahul is a 7-year-old boy. Now you have to see what we have to replace this Rahul with what? We have to replace this Rahul. Rahul is a male gender. So we have to use he. He plays cricket. He is good in studies. He eats chocolates and ice creams. He reads books. Here, he is replaced Rahul to provide proper flow to the paragraph. Understand, children? If you are using the male, use he. If you are using the female, use she. Okay, children? Other words used in place of naming words. With males, he. With females, she. With animals and things, we use it. Remember, children. Okay, you all are very good children listening to the class. Clearly and carefully listen. For example, he is a good boy. She is a good girl. Teacher say it to you, na children? He is a good boy. She is a good girl. It is my pet dog. It is my pen. We will use for things and animals it. Now see this page, children. Filling the blanks using he, she or it. This is a small exercise. Just I am saying to you. Okay. When I give to you in the notes way, that time you write it in the classwork. Okay. Just you listen to the class now. When we are doing, you will also come to know what teacher is teaching. Filling the blanks using he, she or it. Soumya is a beautiful girl. Okay. Soumya is there. So you have to use the female. She is wearing a pretty dress. Dash has a brother. Who has a brother? Soumya. She has a brother. His name is Abhay. Okay, what is her brother's name? Abhay. Dash is fond of playing football. Who? Abhay. So you will use he. In the third blank, he is fond of playing football. They have a pet dog, a pet cat, sorry. What is then here animal name has come as cat. So what you will use? It has hairy body. The animal means we have to use it. It has hairy body. Dash looks very cute. Who? The animal. So you will use number blank fifth one as it. It looks very cute. Both the children play with their pet cat daily. Okay, children? Now first about the description given as Soumya, then Abhay, then as a pet cat. Replace the underlined words, underline naming words, okay, by he, she or it, and rewrite the sentences. Here some exercises why I have taken from one book, because you will come to know where the name of a girl will come, you should replace with she. Name of a boy will come, you should replace with he. Okay. Name of a thing or an animal will come means you should replace it with it. Now, we will do this small exercise with 5 questions. Akshara is a beautiful girl. Now, one is done as an example, children. She is a beautiful girl. Which is underlined, you have to change it in a pronoun way. Arpit writes a letter to his sister. I repeat the question. Arpit writes a letter to his sister. Arpit is what? He. He writes a letter to his sister. Okay. Now third question. Tiger attacked a rabbit. Tiger attacked a rabbit. Here tiger is underlined. So tiger is an animal. You should replace with it. It attacked a rabbit. It attacked a rabbit. Now, Sanya is wearing a beautiful skirt. Okay. Now what is that? Sanya is a girl. So you will replace with she. She is wearing a beautiful skirt. I repeat the answer. She is wearing a beautiful skirt. Now, fifth question. Prashulna is better than her. Here, Prashul means the name of a boy. Pranshul, he is better than her. Now, the next question. Next one, as what we use? As what we use as a conversation when we use I, you, we, they. Read the conversation below. Hello, I am Prat. Who are you? Hello, I am Aditya. Nice to meet you. So here you can see you. When you are saying who are you, the second person pronoun. Nice to meet you. Okay. Here another person is also saying you. Here the conversation you can see. Where are we going? You can see in the second picture, children. Where are we going? Father is a child is asking to his father. We are going to the zoo. Okay. Here parents are replying to the child that we means we all are going to the zoo. We are pointing them. They are playing. We are pointing the others. They are playing. Here you can see, children. The next one, when we are using they is another pronoun. Here small, just exercise for you to see how to fill I. I is a pronoun. First person pronoun. I. Second person. We is the plural. We and they. Okay. When we are using these all as a plural forms, I is a single, then we is a plural. You is the second. You, we will point others. You can see, children. I am Kanika. Who are you? Okay. Next one, second one. First one is done for you. Second one, as an option they have given you, dash I or they are going to school. Okay. I are going to school is wrong, children. Okay. Are going, plural form is there. So we have to rewrite with they. They are going to school. Okay. Now another one. Dash love playing football. Here they, we. Okay. We love playing football. They love playing football. Anyone you can write it. Okay. We are playing football by seeing the picture. If we are pointing them, they are playing football. Okay. Here, love playing. They love playing football. We love playing football. We love playing football is maximum correct. Now, you or we is a soldier. We can't write we is a soldier is wrong. When we are speaking for us, we are soldiers, we'll say. But no, we are pointing them. So you should say, here you can see the boy pointing that. You or we. You is a we is a soldier. You is a soldier. Okay. Here they are pointing. You is a soldier. We is a soldier. Next one. There are three books on the table. There are three books on the table. They are my books. They are my books. Next one. I am Karan. He is Ketan. Next, dash are brothers. Dash go to school together. We are brothers. We go to school together. Next one, are dash free in the evening? When we ask, are you free in the evening? Please come to my place today. Isha and Megha will also come. Dash will bring games to play. They will bring games to play. She is Mrs. Mehra. Sorry. She is Mrs. Mehra. He is Mr. Rakesh. Dash are teachers. Dash teach English. They are teachers. They teach English. Okay, children. Now you have small conversation is given with the pictures. Why are you sad, Vasu? Dash have lost my pen, my book. Dash have lost my book. I have lost my book. Why are you sad, Vasu? I have lost my book. Dash want to listen a story. We want to listen a story. Okay, I will narrate a story for you all. Okay, I will narrate a story for you all. So children, today's class we have learned the pronoun where we have to use he, where we have to use pronouns in the place of a noun. So children, please, I will send small exercises and definition of the pronoun. Okay, that also please you write in your classwork. So in textbook, in the depth is not given as in grammar. So line by line, step by step, we will go with the grammar also, which is very important in English. So for today's class, pronouns. Okay, we'll see in the next class. Take care of you all, children. Take care. See you. Thank you.